Hi guys, this is Tobias, Steel3MHT. It's time to pick the winners for my 1000 subscribers giveaway. So we are here at CommentShark.com. I've entered text search hashtag labcat, number of winners to pick 3. And let's see what happens when I click the pick a random YouTube comment button. And loading comments. And we have 3 winners here. Okay, and in my giveaway video, I said you can mention your preferred price, and it looks as if the distribution accidentally works out. So Mike N2MAK gets the Tiny SA. KS0JD gets the MTech QRP kit. That means the SMD Christmas star goes to Brad Kalman 2353. Wow, I'm lucky that that worked out. What would I have done if 2 guys picked the same price, right? Probably roll the dice. Okay, so you now have 1 week to get in touch. Apparently, I will first try to ping you in the Ham Show EU Discord, because that's the easiest thing. You can find my email address in the channel info. So channel info more. There should be a reveal button if you're logged in, and you can send me your shipping address. And then I get the stuff on its way, and I hope it arrives before Christmas. Okay, that's it for this video. Enjoy your prizes, guys, and well, until the next 1000 subscribers or so, let's see what happens. Bye!